Alright. Hi everybody, it's Slim from Lynn's Crafts Designs. I'm coming by today to pour this TEMU resin mold. I'm going to do a little bit of, I believe it is amber resin dye, and then I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of the fire opal. See what we can come up with. Okay. I've got a 30% off first time buyers TEMU coupon, and I've also got an affiliate link. If you use my affiliate link, I will get recognized by TEMU, and they'll be more willing to collaborate with me again. So let's mix up some resin and I'll be back. Okay, let's give this a try. Now I'm going to try a tiny bit of the amber, and have to get it on the lid just to make sure. Okay, again I'm going to just grab those dots of dye with the end of the stick and push them down. That way they don't stick to the edge of the mixing container quite so bad. Okay. I'm going to actually add 2 more drops. Right. Hold everything. Hold everything. I stuck my arm in it. Okay. See, I didn't grab those quite as well, and they immediately floated up and stuck to the edge of the mixing container. Okay. Alright. Let me wipe some of the gunk off my gloves. Okay. Now, I'm pretty sure this is going to be more than I need. Then again, I have been wrong before. Y'all know, I have a knack. I mix up exactly what I need somehow. Going down here. Okay, grab my little tiny silicone brush. my glasses on where I can see. Oh. Okay, now get that strip off. Okay, now I'm going to take, this is the fire opal. And oh my goodness, there's a dog hair. He hasn't even been in here today. Alright, let me look. Okay, no more dog hair. Again, I'm gonna take this fire opal and have to poke it again. Oh. Okay, y'all. Poking the hole in the end is the most tense part for me. I don't know why. Because I don't want to poke through the bottle. That's why. Alright, I'm just going to add a few drops. Let them kind of do their thing. Okay, I'm actually just gonna leave it just like that. And we'll demold that tomorrow and see what it looks like. Okay, but I've got a tiny, and I'm not even sure it's gonna be worth pouring, but okay. This is our fun one. I'm gonna do this little bookmark first. Now, I will say these bookmark molds are much thinner than the other ones that I did. course it had a dog hair. Luckily it was just stuck to the dried resin. That is pretty. Snowy effect. Got just a couple of pieces that didn't float. That didn't sink down, sorry. Alright, so there's that one. Wolf had a pretty little tassels that go on it. I'm nervous about this one, because the amber did turn out much lighter than I anticipated. Especially down here where the resin dye didn't flow as freely. The orange, I'm sorry. I really do like this mold, and I'm really surprised I'm saying that. Alright. Well, let me look at it a second. Alright, the fire opal color could have been a little better mixed, I think, because the amber really did it really did show up lighter than I expected. So we'll do this one again. Now, if I put a colored background on it or something, that might help. But I'm gonna do a little experimenting on it anyway, so we'll bring out the detail in another way. So that'll be another video. Alright. I shall leave the links below to the TEMU site. I've got a 30% off coupon for new subscribers. I've also got a TEMU affiliate link, and if you use that link, that will notify TEMU. And if I get enough, they will collaborate with me again. Sorry. I've got my Amazon storefront link below too, where the resin dyes and all that other stuff is. I just recently added a super thanks button. I've also recently added a buy me a coffee link down below. And now I've got an Amazon wish list as well. I think I've said everything. Thank you to Marvelous Artsy for that idea that one of her viewers suggested. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I really should practice this more, I know. Seriously, y'all. Thank you for watching. It's been nearly 12 years. So, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.